Good morning, children. Very good morning to one and all. I hope all are well. Today we are going to discuss C reading. That is, I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. Once upon a time, there was a mother rat who wanted to get her young daughter married as soon as possible. She wanted to marry her young daughter as early as possible because as she is becoming old, she wants to marry her young daughter to the most powerful being that she could find. She wanted to see the most powerful being on the earth. She wanted to see the physically strong and um, the person who is strong, he is not only strong but also he should be rich. Who is the most powerful being on the earth? She asked herself. She saw the bright sun, God traveling across the sky, and thought, surely all beings depend on the sun. Almost all people are depending on the sun. Without sun, we cannot live. Without sun, we cannot expect rain. We cannot. There is no trees. There is no atmosphere. So the mother rat thinks that sun is the most powerful being on the earth. Asked herself. She was the bright sun god traveling across the sky and thought, surely all beings depending on the sun. The sun god is the most powerful being on the earth. She asked the sun god. Mother rat is asking the sun rat, are you the most powerful being on this earth? She asked the sun god, are you the most powerful being on the earth? You are the most powerful being on the earth, am I right? Mother rat asked to sun god. No, there is no one. There is one greater than me to help the creature. Not only me, there is one another one. Um, Another one greater than me to help the creature. It is the rain. The rain is helping the people very much. Not only me, rain is most powerful being on the earth. Without the rain, no crop or the tree would grow. There is without sun, we cannot expect trees. We cannot expect crops and all. There would be no water on the earth. If there is no rain, there would be no water. Just then it began to rain. While they were talking, the sun god and the mother rat was discussing about who was the most powerful being on the earth. While it was rain, she thought how wonderful the rain is. It makes the whole land green. The rain makes the whole land green and beautiful. Green. It makes the rivers flow. Surely the rain god is the most powerful being on the earth. She changed herself, her mind, and she is thinking. Mother rat is thinking that rain god is most powerful being on the earth. She asked the rain god, "Are you the most powerful being on the earth?" Mother rat is asking the sun, rain god, "Are you the most powerful being on the earth?" Rain god is smiling. No, there is one greater than me to help the creature. There is another creature, there is another person who is helping to them creatures very much. It is the mountain. The mountain is helping the all creatures very well. Without the mountain, there would be no protection for the creatures of the earth. Without mountains, we cannot. There would be no creatures on this earth. The mountain blocks the clouds and lets the water flows softly, safely for the people and all life in the valley. People, those who are living in the valley, they live happily. The rain, the mountain blocks the clouds and it stops the flow, and the people, those who are living at the foot of the mountain, they live happily. She looked around and saw the beautiful blue mountain. What is the color of the mountain? Blue mountain. Blue mountain, she thought. How big the mountain is. It withstands all winds and storms. It protects the earth and its creatures. The mountain is giving rain, and it protects the small creatures, and it protects the earth and creatures also. Surely the mountain god is the most powerful being on the earth. mountain god is the most powerful being on the earth. The mother rat thinks that mountain is the most powerful being on the earth. He smiled. Who smiled? Mountain god smiled. No, there is one greater than me to help the creature. It is the worm. Worm means earthworm. There is one greater than me. Who is that earthworm? Without worm, the earth would be hard and nothing would be grow in the soil. Without earthworm, we cannot expect the crop. The earthworms are making the soil loose, so the on the earth farmers are growing the crops. The earthworm is the greatest friend and living being can live. Earthworm is the farmers best friends and living beings can live. People, those who are living on the earth, not only human beings, all creatures are living because of the earthworm, because they are growing crops. Because of the crops, many creatures, birds, animals, human beings, all are living depending on the crop. Just then, she saw her daughter coming towards her. While she was talking with the mountain god, her daughter is coming towards her. She asked her mother, "What are you doing?" Mother, young rat is asking the mother rat, "What are you doing?" "I am trying to find out who the most powerful being on this earth," said the mother rat. "I am searching for suitable person to marry marry to you." "Why?" asked the daughter. "I want to marry him and be saved," said the mother rat. "I wanted to marry you mm, with a suitable person. He protects you, he gives you whatever you want. Why would I need to marry to be safe?" asked the mother daughter. Asked the daughter, "Why I am mm, be safe? Why should a person, a strong person, to protect me? I need to know how to take care of myself. I know how to take care of myself. I don't want to depend on others. I know how to take care of myself. You are small, you need protection. You are small creature. How could you protect yourself?" said the mother rat. "The best protection is to be able to protect oneself. The best protection is the protecting oneself is the greatest thing," said the daughter. "To protect myself, I need to learn to be strong and work hard. To protect myself, I need to work hard and I should be strong." "But why would you need to work? If you marry someone rich and powerful, he will support you. Why should you?" Mother rat is saying, "Why should you work hard? If you marry a powerful person or rich person, you no need to work hard. You can uh, you can buy anything by asking your husband," said the mother rat. "Who is rich and powerful?" Amma asked the "Who is rich and powerful? Please tell me who is rich and powerful." "The truly powerful being is one who can take care of oneself and those she loves." See, the one thing is, uh, the truly powerful being is one who can take care of oneself. One should protect oneself. One should not be dependent on others. Is she loves. One is truly rich if one is rich in love. The person who loves himself or others very much, he is the most richest person in the world. I want to be powerful myself so that I can take care of myself and those that I love. If I love myself, I would be the most powerful being on the earth. The mother rat was confused, perplexed. "What will you do?" she asked. "I will learn to stand on my own feet. I don't want to depend on others. I want to learn myself. I want to learn myself. Learn how to take care of myself." I need to learn how to take care of myself. I should learn some other things, how to tackle my life. But don't you need help? Asked the mother rat. Don't you need help? Asked the mother rat. Yes, from you, Amma. I want help from you. If you won't disturb me, I can take care of myself. I will marry at certain point of time. Now I don't want to marry anyone, said the mother rat. Daughter, help me support myself. If you have anything to help, anything possible, you help me. Don't such, don't such powerful being to marry me. I am not interested in marrying anybody rich or powerful. I am not depending on anyone. I want to depend on. I want to depend on myself. I don't want rich person. I don't want powerful person. Depending on another person, power, position, and prosperity does not promise peace and security in the long run. Depending on the rich person, depending on his prosperity, depending on his position, it doesn't give any security. He may give divorce, he may die, he may marry another woman. Then what is my position? If I do any job, I can take care of myself, my children, and even though uh, anything happen in my future, no problem at all. I can lead my life comfortably. uh, Comfortably. One has to depend on the power within oneself to seek the target in one's life. One should develop these qualities, the power within himself. Everyone having the power, they should find the power and um, they should try for that. So everyone should not depending on others. One should depending on oneself. Everyone should, nobody cannot take care about you in these days. Everyone in these days, I can take care of myself. Everyone should care about one themselves. Otherwise we will face the problem. Others will not take care. Others will not take away your problems. If you are perfect, if you get the job, you will happy. If you won't get the job, you will not happy. Thank you, children. You read this lesson. If you have any doubt, call me. Thank you, one and all.